Ever felt like you were promised something valuable, and now you're wondering how to actually get your hands on it? Maybe you participated in the Flare network's initial distribution and are now staring at your Bifrost wallet, a little confused about how to claim those much-anticipated FLR tokens. You're not alone. This is a question many early supporters have, and today, we're going to break down the exact steps to claim your Flare tokens directly within your Bifrost wallet. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly recap what Flare is and why these tokens are so significant. Flare is a Layer 1 blockchain designed to bring EVM compatibility and access to rich data for other blockchains, most notably XRP Ledger. The initial token distribution, often referred to as the airdrop, was a way to bootstrap the network and reward early believers. Bifrost Wallet, a multi-chain wallet, is one of the platforms that supports the Flare network and allows you to manage your FLR tokens. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, claiming your Flare tokens on Bifrost Wallet. The process is generally straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to ensure you successfully receive your tokens. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Bifrost Wallet installed on your device. Outdated versions might not have the necessary features to interact with the Flare network's claiming mechanism. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and check for any available updates. Once you've confirmed you're running the latest version, open your Bifrost Wallet. You should see a list of the different blockchains supported by the wallet. Look for the Flare network. If you haven't added it yet, you might need to manually add it. This usually involves tapping a plus icon or a Manage Chains option within the wallet settings and selecting Flare from the list of available networks. After selecting or adding the Flare network, you should see your Flare account within the wallet. If you were eligible for the initial distribution, your claimable FLR tokens should be visible or indicated in some way. There might be a specific button or section labeled Claim, Airdrop, or something similar. Tap on this button. You will likely be presented with some information regarding the claim process, possibly including the amount of FLR you are eligible to receive and any associated transaction fees. Make sure to read this information carefully before proceeding. Next, you'll need to initiate the claim transaction. This usually involves confirming the transaction within the Bifrost wallet. You might be asked to enter your wallet password or use biometric authentication to authorize the transaction. Once you've confirmed the transaction, it will be broadcast to the Flare network. The time it takes for the transaction to be confirmed can vary depending on network congestion, but it's usually relatively quick. You should be able to track the progress of your transaction within the Bifrost wallet. After the transaction is confirmed, your claimed FLR tokens should appear in your Flare network balance within your Bifrost wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully claimed your Flare tokens. It's important to note that the exact steps and interface might vary slightly depending on the specific version of the Bifrost wallet you are using. If you encounter any issues, it's always a good idea to consult the official Bifrost wallet documentation or their support channels for the most up-to-date and specific instructions. They often have detailed guides and FAQs to help users navigate the platform. Remember to always be cautious of potential scams and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. The claiming process should be done directly within the official Bifrost wallet application. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.